Hey everybody, Rich Noto here, Florida licensed realtor, Florida licensed home inspector, Florida New York Public with loan signing agent certification, your construction trained realtor, and car. And one of the many things that separates me from other realtors is my ability to spot home defects, house issues, construction defects, another big truck. So I'm able to help my buyers from start to finish versus just vanishing after the contract because the construction process is not understood. Now, to understand construction, you have to have an understanding of Florida building codes and also manufacturer's installation instructions and great stuff like that. And it's also great to have a license such as a home inspector's license, or I guess a general contractor's license or something like that. So that's important. And here comes another truck. Doing good today. And then check out this house called the Key Largo 2. The Key Largo is 3,560 square feet to 3,900 square feet. Yep, got a beautiful tile roof. Look at that. Home next to is the Key West. Now I think I have these in another community. I could be wrong. Let's go inside and have a look. Oh boy, I take off the hat, take off the sunglasses. Okay, so you can see lots of upgrades as soon as you walk in. There's no doubt about it. Got a nice large room over here, which is typically the reading room, the office room. Builders seem to be going with that theme. And then this room is a dining room. Now the ceilings are very high as well, because I could touch a ceiling that's 8 foot and I could not touch this for the life of me. And this community is natural gas. Like it seems like all the communities over here in Twin Rivers and Zephyrhills it's all natural gas. What is this, wallpaper again? Yeah? It's really making a comeback. We got a big bathroom here, geez. So much floor space. Big tub. Got your closets. I was kind of looking at the pool. I know I should be looking at this beautiful bedroom, but I was looking at the pool from far away. Look at that pool, beautiful. Big island, look at that, big island. Got the gourmet kitchen and all that great stuff. Let's see, I think maybe I should go here, over this way. Boy, am I hot from this 100-degree day. It is crazy hot. So the laundry room. Full bath. Tropicana Field, Petco Park, Oakland Coliseum, all the ball fields. That's pretty cool. Yankee Stadium, Citizens Bank, Coors Field, Lone Depot Park. A little walk-in closet. And now we'll go this way, which I'm guessing this is going to be some kind of master bedroom. Oh wow, so they've got a full shower and full bathroom which connects outside, so if you have a pool. Yeah, because the homes around here don't come with pools. But if you bought a pool, you're ready to go. Like this kind of house is just made for the pool. Every room in the back of the house is just made to go outside to the pool. And another bedroom. And another closet. And of course the floors, the floors are all upgraded. Builders typically don't put this kind of, plank flooring. I think it's a vinyl plank just by looking at it. It typically doesn't come standard. Usually standard is carpet. Now, sometimes the builders will include some kind of tile or a cheaper tile. And this is interesting. This is interesting looking quartz. Wow. I don't think I've ever seen quartz like this. Basketball room, that's an interesting theme. So an amazing loft up here on the second floor, and of course this is all upgraded. You got the wine bar and the sink. So this is so pretty much this is like all those other homes that have like the bonus room, and there's a bedroom and a bathroom. Just that it's set up a little bit differently, than the other ones. Sometimes the other ones are kind of like, it's almost like all in one, a little bit separated. But this second floor kind of winds a bit, kind of bends. But either way, it's really nice. I mean, I like pretty much all of these second floor bonus room or huge loft kind of homes. Yeah, very nice, wonderful, spacious, and very high ceiling, very high. I like it. And this fridge is different. Yeah, it's black. I wonder how it is with like fingerprints versus that stainless steel that kind of looks like the handles. Of course, those fridges get really messed up looking over time. Kind of like the Cybertruck, the Tesla.